Hi, good morning guys. Happy Wednesday. Naka-aura tayo dahil may pupuntahan kami ng asawa ko, kukuha kami ng birth certificate ng aming bunso. And then, after that, baka kakain kami. Time check. Ayan. 9:53 na ng umaga. So, tara na. Isapot na akong kauban, guys. Dugay manggod ko.
That's it right there.
Yeah. Guys, dito na
Turn
kami.
left into the parking lot.
Dito kami kukuha ng birth certificate. San Bernardino County. Birth certificate ng aming bunso because kailangan kasi naming i-report yung kanyang birth. Report his.
Is there any
Proceed to the route.
part right there?
There's one.
Can I fit?
Oh, why not? This car is very little. Yeah,
It's
that's a big
tight.
one.
Yeah, but they're kind of.
Oh.
That charger's kind of taking.
It's right here. Big one as well. It's not
Try to back in.
Tara, pasok tayo.
Why you gotta do that?
I don't like it.
Why you gotta be such a hater?
Don't ask me like that. Okay, meron na kaming number. Naka-fill out na kami ng form, so waiting na lang kami tawagin. Thank you.
Everything here looks correct. I just need a signature right there, please. It's gonna be $64 for the cash. Debit or credit will charge you $2 more, okay?
Okay, let me just do credit. Debit.
Okay. Go ahead and enter the chip at the bottom whenever you're ready.
Okay. Eto na, tada.
Like 10 hours.
Tapos na. Nakakuha na kami ng kopya. Yan ang aking kasama. No, it don't say like that.
Federal building.
Go Power Ranger. Gentle dog. Ito na guys. Tada!
Sure.
Our next stop with my sugar daddy is here.
I knew it. I knew it.
With my sugar daddy today. Tomorrow, different daddy is right here in our favorite
Are they
Chinese
open? It
place.
Don't look open.
Oh yeah, I don't think they're open.
11.
Almost, you see. Antay lang kami dito guys, konti ka. Baka maubos ang battery namin sa sakyan.
There's kind of California.
Kain lang kami dyan sa loob guys.
What do you want to do? Take a nap?
Det namin, det. Kasi kumila naman, mga bata
Or
na
come
sa
back.
school.
Or go somewhere?
What do you think?
Well, it's worth waiting, I guess, 20 minutes, but take hers.
Okay, so guys, open na sila. Pasok tayo. I will. Tada, tada, tada. Guys, ito na yung binili namin. 5. Isa-isa kami. Yung pa. Sorry sa mess. Ayan o. Aking paa. Tapos dito. Tapos pauwi na kami, guys.
Potato.
Ay, stop by muna kami saglit sa bangkay. Meron lang akong i-deposit
Should we try to
saglit.
go around the other way?
Yeah, just go around the other way, hon. It's easier compared to...
Boom, boom, boom.
Kasi kailangan ko ilagay yung payment ng aking suki. Hey guys, let's go. Dito kami sa bangko, guys. Depo lang tayo saglit ng ano natin. And then, uwi na kami and eat our lunch.
Now it's gonna go through the drive-thru watch.
I don't think so. Shout out to my driver in the morning and at night.
Now what's she doing? Which one?
It's up to you. Grabe siya, guys. Pinaalala po niya sa akin na favorite place ko daw ito dito. Kasi,
They don't take money order.
yes, they do. That's the reason why I came to the
I know.
bank. Bring back memories daw. Naalala niya ang kahapon.
Sorry, we can't read it.
There you go. Confirm. Ganito lang kadali dito, guys. Ang mga ganitong bagay, mga online bangko, mga chorba. Wala akong kamalay-malay about dyan. Until nakarating ako dito. So, shout out to my asawa. Siya lahat nagturo sa akin. Siyempre, siya yung nagbago ng buhay ko, guys. Kaya talagang I'm grateful talaga dito sa aking asawa. So tara, guys, let's go. Uwi na kami. Ito na kami, guys.
Oh. What is this one?
What's mine, sweetie?
What is this one? What's FR?
What? She gave me very little chicken teriyaki.
I know, that's what I
Looks
said.
good, guys. Yum.
You need to quit going there. The other one give you a lot.
No, the other girl.
The Asian girl or the Mexican girl?
The other girl. The one that write down. So good. So fresh, honey.
What is that one, Kent?
Kuya. Yeah.
What is that one? Fried rice and orange chicken in this one. This is fried rice and teriyaki. That's mine. I gotta go.